Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for reproduction in plants and animals booklet, and let's look at this question together. So here says that Annie's placed 5 identical green bean seeds into 4 identical containers. Okay, so basically these green beans are placed in 4 identical containers, A, B, C, D. And what happened is she placed the container at different location as shown and watered the seeds daily for 3 days. Now the question now asks, in which container will the seeds germinate over the next few days? So as you can see, A is at garden, B is freezer, C is dark cupboard, and D is on the kitchen table. So before we look at the location, the first thing we should know is, in order for the seeds to germinate, what are the conditions? What are the things we should have before we're able to have the seeds to germinate? And if you look back to the notes, we actually have mentioned and we have learned something called the WOW, like wow. So these are the 3 conditions we must satisfy in order for the seeds to germinate. So W is what? The first W is actually water. O, oxygen. And W is actually warm. Basically, or we're actually saying the suitable temperature. Okay? And warm is a suitable temperature. So now let's look at this question again. Here's what? The container is water. The plant is being watered daily for 3 days. So water wise, it shouldn't be a problem already because it's being satisfied. So A, B, C, D have no issue with this. But how about oxygen and warmth? So let's look at together. A, garden. Oxygen should be supposed to be fine. Warm supposed to be fine, right? So A, no problem. B, in the freezer. Oxygen, questionable, right? Warm, this one for sure, no, right? So we know for sure. As long as one of the conditions is not satisfied, out. C, dark cupboard. Oxygen, yeah, still have warm. Okay, it's dark, but it's not like very cold, right? So okay, acceptable. But teacher, no light, Plants usually needs light, right? Plants usually need lights to make food, right? But again, don't forget, these seeds is still small seeds, they are germinating on it. They still cannot make their own food at this stage. So light is not required yet. Okay? So it's okay to be done. Next one, on the kitchen table. Should be no problem, right? Oxygen, warm, yeah. So the answer will be A, C, and D. So the answer is option number 4. And that's all for this question. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.